Welcome to a definitive visual tour of an automotive icon, the 1990 Mazda MX-5 NA, presented in a pristine white showroom. Our exploration begins with the quintessential front three-quarter view, where the car's joyful personality is immediately apparent. The long hood, compact cabin, and short rear deck are in perfect proportion, creating a stance that looks eager to move even while stationary, finished in its signature classic red with the fitting license plate 1990. Transitioning to the direct, head-on front view, we appreciate the beautifully symmetrical and restrained fascia, devoid of unnecessary aggression, centered around a subtle Mazda badge and a simple black intake that flows cleanly into the pronounced front fenders. The iconic side profile is where the Miata's magic is fully unveiled, with a character line running straight from the front wheel arch, through the door handle, and kicking up gently over the rear wheel, a masterclass in giving a static object a sense of motion, complemented by frameless windows and a taut black soft top. From the rear three-quarter angle, the design's friendly personality continues with gently swollen rear fenders that house the driven wheels and a short, vertical tail featuring simple circular lamps, a look that is timeless and approachable. Dropping to a dramatic low-angle shot from the front emphasizes the car's ground-hugging posture and the purposeful placement of its mechanical components, highlighting the wheels at the corners geometry that is fundamental to its legendary agility. A detailed close-up of the signature pop-up headlight unit in its raised position showcases this beloved feature, a single, smooth pod that gives the car its characteristic awake and cheerful expression, representing an era of delightful mechanical interaction. Focusing on the front passenger side wheel reveals the iconic daisy-style alloy in detail, with its delicate spokes and a glimpse of the classic red brake caliper, a setup chosen explicitly for lightweight feel and communicative feedback over ultimate grip. Our technical deep dive continues with a revealing low-angle look at the underbody, where we can see the sophisticated fully independent double wishbone suspension, a key engineering choice that provided exceptional handling sophistication for an affordable roadster with visible control arms and steering linkage mounted to a rigid unibody chassis. Lifting the hood, we are greeted by the heart of the machine, the compact and orderly 1.6-liter twin-cam engine, its intake on the right and exhaust manifold on the left, crowned by the valve cover proudly stamped DOHC16 valve, an engine built for smooth, free revving responsiveness. Stepping inside, we open the driver's door to reveal the inviting, purposefully simple black cloth cabin, a space entirely focused on the driver's connection to the car. From the perspective of the driver's seat, we look over the classic, perfectly sized three-spoke steering wheel at the twin-hooded analog gauges, with the large, central tachometer taking pride of place, an instrument panel of stunning clarity designed for instantaneous reading. A close-up of that steering wheel and the clean, white-on-black dials behind it underscores the no-nonsense, tactile nature of the driving experience. From the passenger footwell, the view across the transmission tunnel reveals the cabin's symmetrical layout, the simple vertical controls, and the iconic, pistol grip handbrake lever positioned perfectly for enthusiastic driving. An overhead shot with the black soft top stowed away celebrates the pure, open-air joy that defines this car, showcasing the perfect proportions of the cockpit and the minimal rear deck. A detailed close-up of the black soft top fabric and its simple, manual latches highlights the straightforward, hands-on ritual of putting the roof up or down, another point of direct engagement. Even practicality is considered, as shown in a view of the modest yet usefully shaped trunk, a carpeted space perfectly sized for a weekend escape for two. At the rear, a low-angle shot tightly focuses on the polished single exhaust tip, the final outlet for the tuneful and spirited four-cylinder soundtrack. Finally, we pull back to a wide, establishing shot of the MX-5 sitting alone in the center of the minimalist white showroom, a powerful, silent statement that its design, philosophy, and driving purity need no embellishment. it is a complete and timeless testament to the joy of driving, a benchmark for balanced, responsive, and connected motoring that has endured for decades. This detailed visual review of the 1990 Mazda MX-5 NA concludes, reminding us why this car remains not just a classic, but a perpetual reference point for automotive enthusiasm.